Right, the time has come to apply the Osmo Oil. By all accounts, this stuff is the business. It's supposed to be fantastic for keeping the moisture out and everything. Nice finish, longevity, easy application. I don't know, I've never applied it, but we'll give it a go. I've also got the Osmo brush. It just looks like a normal brush to me, but hey ho, it's what they wanted us to use. So it says the recommended natural bristles. Very nice. Okay, here we go then. Let's see what we get for his money. This comes in at about 20 quid a tin. So we've sanded these down with 120 grit. We've got that's messy, wasn't it? Waste not, want not. Oh, look at that. It's like, it's not clear. How bizarre. I thought that would be clear, but it's got a bit of a tinge to it.
What's that stuck to your trousers?
Okay, so I think I want it in a little tub. I don't fancy going straight out the container. So I've got a nice clear container there. Let's whack some of that in there. Look at that, it's like milk. It's like milk affair going on. Right. Let's have a go then and see what it goes on like. So it says apply thinly to the grain.
So we'll just work that in nice and slowly. It's really watery, it's quite thin, but it covers really well. It does go on nicely.
On this end as well.
And we'll just speed it up a bit, get things moving.
So I'm thinking the way this is going on, it's going to go quite far. It's spreading nicely. For me, it's got a bit of a PVA feel to it. It feels like I'm painting PVA glue on the worktop. One of the oddest things is actually seeing where you're going and seeing what you've painted, because it goes on really thin. And, the lighting's not the best in here at the minute. I might have to go and get me strip light so I can actually get a better look on the shine, see where I've been and where I'm going.
I think you've missed a bit there in the middle. You've definitely missed a bit. Oh no! Come back, you've missed a bit. First time I look back at this and I'm watching the clothes on the washing line through the door. Having a little jiggle to the music, look. Back to the worktops though, it's going on really well. Just get around all those little nooks and crannies around the sink, make sure we get plenty in there.
One down, bacon sandwich time. It's gone on nice, hasn't it? That's gone on really well.
Yep, that was a really good sandwich. Did the job. Replenished with energy. Let's crack on. Now I wasn't sure on how much of this stuff I was going to need. I bought the little tub there. It was £22 and it seems to be going on really well. It seems to be going a long way. So hopefully I'm going to have enough.
So we've got some little knots and things. Obviously it's a worktop, it's made of wood, there's going to be imperfections in it. If you've got any little shakes or any little cracks, or just make sure we get plenty in there and work it in. So as far as how far does it go, I've only filled that once, that first bit we put in there, and I've managed to do the whole section on this side, the whole section on the other side, and I've still got a tiny bit left in the tub. So we're going to do the underside, all the bits I can get to now. That's gone on really well though. Super impressed with that. We've got a couple of coats of the Osmo Protective on there. They're looking really nice, really pleased. They've dried overnight. So the worktops are in the van. The van has been used every day for about the last 6 weeks. Coffee stains, water, thick shakes, syrups, everything going onto the work surfaces. And to be fair, they're holding up really well. They are holding up really well. We've got some coffee stains here. I've just got a wipe there. So we just rub it down and they all come straight off. This on the end, this is where the ramp comes in the back. So this has got aluminium rubbing up against it every day, and it does mark it, but again with a bit of a rub with the wipe, most of it's coming off there. But the coffee stains and everything, and the all the other substances, all the other, like I say, the syrups and things, they all come off of here, no problem at all. So as a whole, I'm pretty pleased with this. This has had 2 coats of the Osmo oil. It's holding up really well. I think I'll give it probably another month or 2, and then I'll sand it over once more and reapply another coat on the top, just to freshen things up. And I think then it will be really sealed and secure. I mean, I'm pleased with the finish. I'm pleased with it as it is. Really pleased with the outcome. I'll get the camera and give you a real close up.
As you can see there, as we work our way down the worktop, this is always getting milk splashing out that thick shake maker onto the worktop, and it's as clean as a whistle. It always wipes off nicely all around the sink, and this bit here gets loads of work.
We've got a couple of little marks there, which is from the stainless steel shaker. When it gets wet, it can mark it, so that is what that's from. It has stained inside, so we'll have to flat that back a little bit. I'll pop links in the description below, so if you use that link, it always helps me out with a little bit of commission. I hope you liked the video. I hope it's been used to if you're thinking about putting Osmo oil on your worktops. I mean, in a kitchen, it would be amazing. This is brutal in here, you know, coffee stains all the time on it. It comes off no problem at all. In your kitchen, where you're a bit more careful and you're not putting dirty coffee and stuff over it all the time, it will be amazing. It lasts for ages. But this is an industrial environment, and it will need some like a reapplication at some point, I think, just to really seal it up. If the video's been of use, if you enjoyed it, cooling down, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.